Kia ora koutou, nau mai, hoki mai anō. Welcome back again to our 2 minute of Te Reo. Hope you guys are doing well and you're having fun practicing and using these ones at your home with your whānau. As always, we will whakamahara. We will remind ourselves of what we have done before. So before we were looking at he āpōrō mau, right, an apple for you. And then we looked at for yourself, for me, right? So he āpōrō māku. Ka pai. Today we're going to finish this short little phrase by looking at asking and saying for somebody else. Okay, so māku is for me, mau is for you, and mana is for someone else. Right? So māku, mau, mana. Ka pai. So what you can do is, again, you can use it as a question or a statement. You can say he pene mana, right? So is it for them? Or you can say he pene mana, right? The pen is for them. Just a little tip, reminder, it's not mana, right? It's different to that word that some of us know. Instead it's mana, right? So we've got that a macron, a tohu on that first A, all right? So you might have a pōtai. Before they go outside, tamariki, he pōtai mana, right? Give the pōtai is for them. Ka pai. You might have a drink bottle. He drink bottle, mana, right? So it's for them. Or maybe, again, like we said, it's a question. He pōtai mana, right? Is the pōtai for them, right? Depending on what you do. Ka pai, ko motu. All right, that's the end for that phrase. For our 2 minute te reo, try and practice those 3 different ways of using it for yourself, māku, mau, for the other person that you are talking to, and mana, for the person you are not talking to, but you're talking about. Ka pai? All done. Enjoy, whānau.